stuck with a USB drive that your Samsung TV just won't recognize? Let's get your movies, music, and photos playing in no time. This is a common frustration, but usually, it boils down to a few simple compatibility issues. First, the most common culprit: mismatched file formats. Your Samsung TV supports a specific range of audio, video, and image file types. Most modern TVs handle common formats like MP4, MKV for video, JPEG, and PNG for images, and MP3 for audio. However, less common or older formats simply won't be read. If your media files aren't in a supported format, you'll need to convert them. You can easily do this using free online converters or readily available software on your computer. Simply choose a widely compatible format like MP4 for video and MP3 for audio. Next up, the USB drives. Formatting. USB drives can be formatted in different ways, and Samsung TVs often prefer specific ones. While exFAT and NTFS are common, FAT32 is often the most universally compatible for media playback on TVs. If your drive is formatted with NTFS, it might cause issues. Reformatting. A USB drive will erase all its contents, so make sure you back up any important files first. To reformat, connect your USB drive to your computer. Right-click on the drive in your File Explorer, select Format, and choose FAT32 from the File System options. Then, click Start. Once your files are in the correct format and your USB drive is properly formatted, reinsert it into your Samsung TV. Navigate to your TV's media player, and you should now see all your files ready to play. Enjoy your media.